Hi folks, it's Jeff Levin here, and today I want to talk to you about the Case Copper Lock. Now, this is a knife that I've had since 1997, and I absolutely love this knife. This has been basically what I consider my food knife, and whether I'm out in the wilderness or at home, this cuts my steak and potatoes and sausages, whatever's going. And I've absolutely loved it. So there you go. Now, this is actually the son to another knife, which is called the Copperhead. Now, the thing that distinguishes this from the Copperhead, it is a lock. So it's a lockback, and therefore they came up with the Copper Lock. I need to put on this shit here so I can talk about the rest. So it's got an overall length of 7.5 inches. There you go. Now the handle length is 4.25 inches. So there you go there. Now it's got a blade length of 3.25 inches and a usable blade length of 2 7/8 inches. Now you can see that it's got nickel silver bolsters. And these ones are a bit dulled up because this is actually a working knife and it doesn't spend too much time in the sock drawer and it doesn't go in the safe or anything like that. This is in my pocket and this knife gets used. So, yeah, I could probably polish this up at some point. Okay. Now, the scales on this are actually called buckling, genuine buckling, they call it. And they're really nice and they're really grippy. And they are, I guess, genuine buckling scales. Feels good in the hand and it looks good. So, there you go. Now, to give you some size reference, it's almost exactly the same size as my Bear & Sons Texas toothpick, as you can see here, which also has the buckle and scales. So there you go. It's actually a really beautiful knife, and it's something great to carry in your pocket. Now, I do have one downside. The blade sensory on this sucks. Now, it doesn't suck on all of them, I'm sure, but my one being probably one of the very first models that came out back in 1997 when they actually made this knife. Yeah, but there you go. It doesn't affect the usability at all. It just means that the blade censoring isn't the best. So there you go. This is my take on the Case W.I. Case and Sons knife, which they call the Copper Lock. It's a great knife, and if you want one, I'm pretty sure they still sell them. There you go. Until next time, Jeff Levin saying, keep your knife sharp. Bye.